Joachim Kamundu original secretary wa SER ya Nyabugando ya kabiri yashobora kubonkala ko government babeta kumanya ngo Eishomero nirikikora.
The school operations, I don't know them very well because the director of the school has never reported in our office that has students, so we can't tell that we were knowing the students which were there, which was attacked. We didn't know how many people are there because it had no students, but we were also surprised when we heard that some students were there.
Ogu yagumzamo yashobora ko wiro winji abeji bene beja Eishomero kandi baragaho omukayirekaje.
The students normally come and go away. So we don't understand what is the problem there. We leaders, but we know it as a secondary school, but we are not aware that it has students.
Kurigira Pasco Kaduba urumujanwa w'Eishomero yashobora ku emicembi abamwe abakuru b'Eishomero cyaretire abazire okubihaho abana babo.
Here he was not cooperating with us and we are not giving him some children. His children, the school children which he was having, he was bringing them from some other sub-counties like Mungunyu sub-county, like Nyachi Yumbu, Kisinga, somewhere there, and Mahango. So he was using some friends like Wazungu who coming from there. I was seeing them coming to the school and watching. But what he was discussing with them, we can't know because he was not cooperating. With us.
Kurigira Minister Godfrey Baruku Kabyanga yashobora kuba bene bapangiisa abeegi kuzo mu Eishomero wanyuma yo kurangu abakuriye bembera bariyo beija.
There are many others who might have been brought under such a circumstance, and therefore that's why we are keeping the director so that he can give us more information. But the school's specialization was suspect, secondary, vocational, so it was really suspect, and 65 students only.
Ogu yagumzamo yashobora ko hariho ekitekateko ngo abejaba nabo bakaba bapangisiwe director akuza kwija bamwe abataka bashobora ku abantu abatahirira Eishomero bakaba bajwire uniform erikweshaniriza eyiheri ya Kongo.
Woman was standing here, then we saw people coming carrying some guns, putting on full uniforms and carrying some bags. Then when we are seeing them, they could say hello. Then we also say responding hello. Then when we are standing here, then we asked, we have not understanding these people. Then we entered our house. We slept under our beds. Then after that, like 5 minutes, we had some bullets. People crying. Then I
Gashakwa Gerard Muhindo, our Sky TV again shown.